going to show you what you're going to do next time you get a tattoo, okay? Because if you're putting saran wrap on your tattoo, you're doing it wrong, okay? You're going to get this stuff called second skin. That's what this is. If you've never tried second skin, I'm telling you, the first time you ever try it, your mouth is going to be on the floor. So you're going to see it has this like section to pull it off right here. You're going to leave that on there, okay? You're actually going to pull off this whole section here, okay? Now this whole part on the inside is sticky. Try your best not to touch it. So say I just got work done right here. It's easier if you have someone else do this for you, but I don't have that right now. So you're just going to apply it down. You're going to touch the center, kind of like you're putting a screen protector on your phone, and then push it out to the side, okay? Just like so. Now is when you peel off this part. Second skin is allowing your tattoos to heal and avoid any of that bacteria to get inside your tattoo. This is obviously going to decrease your chances of any sort of infection and increase your chances of your tattoos looking good for as long as possible, because that healing process is so imperative when you're getting that fresh ink on how your tattoo is going to look long term. And look at this. Second skin is pliable. It moves with your skin. You just leave it on here for about 5 to 7 days. Then you can peel it off. And then what you want to do after that is you're going to go in with antibacterial foaming soap, okay? You want to make sure it's an antibacterial soap. It's going to clean out the wound, making sure there's no yucky germs in there. This antibacterial soap smells so good. And last but not least, please do not put petroleum-based products on your tattoos. You guys, that is not good for your tattoos. What's happening is if you do get any sort of bacteria in your tattoo and you put petroleum on it, you're essentially making a little home for that bacteria. And so they're going to make their little homes in there, and their little friends are going to join. Now you have an infection. And your nice, new, expensive tattoo that probably hurt to get isn't going to look very good and probably going to get some sort of infection. Going with some sort of tattoo balm like this that has all good ingredients. I like to use hustle butter. This has mango butter, shea butter, which actually have antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. So you can see why that would be really good to use during that healing process. That's what I use during this entire inner sleeve. Also, you can use hustle butter continuously for as long as you have the tattoo on your skin, because not only does it help your tattoos pop, but it's actually going to nourish your skin, keeping your tattoos looking healthy for as long as possible. There is a new way to heal tattoos because they're finding that this system is how we can get our tattoos to look better for longer. I don't know about you. I didn't just spend all this time, money, and pain getting my entire sleeve just to make it look like a 5-year-old drew it within a couple years because I healed it the wrong way, right? What's awesome is Hustle Butter actually just came out with an entire essentials kit for people who are getting tattoos. You're getting their second skin, their antibacterial soap, and their tattoo balm, making this the perfect set to have when you're getting your tattoos. And I cannot tell you how this second skin is an absolute game changer when you're getting your fresh ink. It made a world of difference. And then you're not sitting there scratching and itching and trying not to touch your tattoo. Like, it makes it so you can bump your tattoo. It doesn't hurt at all. If you want to get your hands on their essentials kit, this is the chance to do it because they just dropped this. I'm going to drop the link down below. I guarantee you, you're not going to want to use anything else ever again on your tattoos.